Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. Today I decided to show you guys what I have in my skincare collection. Now these are products that I haven't opened up. They're more like backups because everything that I'm currently using in my routine, whether it's morning or nighttime routine, is in my bathroom. And I've showed those products in several different skincare routine videos. I can link them down below or above for you to check those out to see the products that I am currently loving and, you know, applying to my face. Now, before I get started, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. As well as don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. If you enjoy my content or the videos and you're coming back for more, then why not go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is greatly appreciated, and hit the notification bell as well. So without further ado, we're gonna hop right into this video. So I have two Alex 9 drawers, which this one is mainly like skincare and like other household products. As far as like what I need in my room, like, you know, first aid and other type of things. This one right here is all makeup, and I'm constantly condensing to only using the stuff that I like and not just holding on to makeup just because it's makeup. And then of course right here is just like candles and lotions and stuff like that. But needless to say, I'm just gonna show you everything that's in this drawer. It's a hot mess. As you can see, it is not organized at all. I try to keep it organized, but that's not always the case. So I'm just gonna pick up stuff and just randomly. I showed this in a haul. This is the Daily Brightening Serum from Good Molecules. I have a Lineage Water Bank Moisture Cream. This is like in a sample size to try out. So I actually need to take this and put this in my restroom so I can like use it up, or either put it in my purse or bag to use. Then I have the Orchard Stem Cell Magnolia Berry, what is this? Eye gel. I showed this in a haul as well. I got this from a Trend Move box. Then I have Fresh Rose Petal Lip Cream. This is, let's see. I keep everything in the box versus taking them out. And that way I know I never used them. So this is it's very small. And I think I got this in a set, and this is what the lip cream looks like. So I have two Lineage lip masks in my bathroom already. So once I use those two up, then I will start using this one. Eyebrow razor, which actually this should be in here. I have the Butter Cleanser by Dorian Renaud. I think I got this in a Ipsy. I'll probably end up giving this to someone else to try out because I have yet to use it. This is a glycolic mask, a pumpkin honey mask, and I think that I got this from either in an Ulta bag or Ipsy. I'm not sure. I heard that glycolic, oh my god, glycolic acid is good for brightening. So if you have hyperpigmentation, and it says brightening on here, it says Fruit Stem Cell Science, and it's from a brand Andalou Naturals. So I can't wait to try this out too, and I like the packaging of it as well. So if you're definitely someone that's concerned about hyperpigmentation, try that out. This is Clinique Multi-Dimensional Age Transformer. Not really sure what this is. I think I got this from, okay, it's a moisturizer, I'm thinking. It has the scent is like a medicine scent. Then I have Lancome Tonic. This is a rehydrating comforting toner with acacia honey. It says for dry skin, but you know, so if it's for dry skin, it'll definitely work well on my skin, even though it's normal. And yep. The Keys Tint Lip Balms that I've showed before. Lancome Rose Sorbet Cryo Mask. It says it's a pore tightening, soothing, cooling mask. That must have came in a set as well. Then I have the NARS Orgasm Lip Mask. I wasn't sure if I bought this or not, and I almost bought this. One day I was in Sephora, so I would have had two. I mean, but I wouldn't have been tripping if I would have had two. But this isn't a cheap lip mask. So this is the cute packaging. NARS on top as well. And then this is what the lip mask looks like. It's pretty thick. It looks like it'll be thicker than the Lineage ones. But, this is to clean brushes and sponges. So I actually need to put this in my bathroom. I guess I'm kind of glad that I am going through this stuff. Then this is Lineage Water Sleeping Mask. This is like a trial size to try out. One day I'll try it out. Then I got the Tula Skincare Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Once I finish using... Do I have a scrub in my restroom? No, I threw that one away, and it was from Clinique. I just didn't like the way that it left my face. So I probably need to move this one to my bathroom as well. Let's see. Then I have a smaller version of the Tonic Comfort toner from Lancome. This is a lip exfoliant exfoliating tool, and it needs to be cleaned. Well, I always soak it in hot water and alcohol before I, use it anyway. But it's been in here. Actually, what I should do is get like a sandwich bag and put this in there. I don't know why I didn't think of that ahead of time, but I haven't used it in a minute, so don't come for me. It's been in here, so now I know what I need to do. Then I have the Wishful Eye Lift and Snatch Instant Sculpting Mask. So I need to use this as well. I have a Skin Ink Supplement Bar Serum Glow Filter. I think I either got this in a BoxyCharm or Ipsy. Can't remember, but I know I showed it in the video. And look at the little beads inside of here. The packaging is bougie in itself, so I really like that. It's cute. This is a Rose Sugar Scrub Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Why do I feel like, did I just mention a sugar scrub? Oh, okay. Tula. So I got one from Lancome and Tula. I'm like, wait a minute, I don't know what I have. So this is the Chorus Foam and Cream Cleanser. I've been wanting to try this out for a long time. Then I have Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. I have plenty of moisturizers, so I definitely know I don't need to buy any moisturizers anytime soon. You hear me? At all. So yeah, as you can see, the seal hasn't been broken. Cute packaging. I'm not gonna open it up. Then I have Lancome Hydrogen Anti-Stress Anti-Stress Moisturizing Cream Gel. Oh God. But this is the box, and I think I probably showed these before, but oh, look at this. Isn't this just bougie? Just the packaging, just everything. Like, I had to have gotten this on sale because Lancome skincare is not cheap at all. So, Milani Rose Butter Lip Mask. So I have another lip mask. Not gonna run out anytime soon. This is more on the affordable side. So if you don't want to get the Lineage or the Fresh or the NARS lip mask, then you can go to Walmart, Target, Ulta, however, and pick up the Milani Rose Butter Lip Mask. If I'm not mistaken, they may have other scents as well, but I just picked up Rose Butter. Of course, can I forget about the Ordinary Niacinamide? This is the one with zinc. I love this serum. Love it, love it, love it. So, of course, I will always keep a backup. I have the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. This is soap and sulfate free. So if you have enlarged pores, imperfections, uneven tone and texture, this is for you. I really like Dr. Gross products, and if I'm not mistaken, this one here really works well for people with oily skin because it's a cleansing gel and not like the foam or the lotion type of cleansers. Oh, I've tried this before like many years ago, and I just decided to pick this up again to have in my stash. So Cerave healing ointment, have to have a backup. I use this for everything, from lips to even putting on my cuticles when they're dry. If you have eczema, look, go get this. It even come in a jar. It is great for people who have extra dry skin, eczema, everything. It says it protects and soothes dry, cracked, and chafed skin, and it has ceramides in it. Yeah, I love it. Go get it. Next up, oh, another lip mask from Lineage. This is just a different scent. The one I'm currently using is brown sugar, and then this one is I think just their original one. It doesn't really have much of a scent, but this is what it looks like. And I've used this one before, so that's why I purchased it. But I kind of wanted to try out the different scents or flavors or whatever you want to call it on my lips. Next up is facial razor set. It comes in a pack of 4 at Sephora. It says it removes facial hair and peach fuzz for a visibly smoother looking complexion. So I really like these. Next up is foot mask. This is a coconut one. So in between your pedicures, you want your feet is feeling a little, you know, crusty. Get your foot mask from Sephora. I have another foot mask. This is the Aveeno Repairing Psycha foot mask. So this is more on the affordable side. If you know, go to the drugstore, Walmart, or whatever, get that one. Then I have a cucumber eye mask from Sephora. I got these when Sephora had a sale and all of their collection was 30% off. So yeah. Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This I showed in a previous video of my Ulta haul, and I'm going to incorporate that next. I'm currently almost finished with the niacinamide serum from Good Molecules. So to replace that, I'm going to incorporate the toner into my skincare routine and see what that does. Another cleanser. This is the vegan milk cleanser, milk makeup. So yeah, I really don't need to buy any more skincare. Only thing is when I run out of like azelaic acid and stuff like that, because I use that on a daily basis, and I run out of that mask or whatever you want to call it, cream, very fast. But this is what it looks like. Hopefully it's not washed out, but yep, another cleanser. Baby, I'm all about my skincare. Then I have the Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. I think I got this from a BoxyCharm, and I've showed this before, but I'm going to show it again in case you didn't see that video. But this is what it looks like. It definitely looks milky. It's in a frosted bottle. This is glass, so be careful if you ever purchase this. I have a mini Dermalogica brightening powder exfoliant. This is a daily microfoliant. Dermalogica is a brand that's well known for their skincare products. They're not cheap. So I do eventually want to use this to see if I really like it. And then if I really like it, I guess I'll come off the coins for the full size. I'm almost done. This is a sample Kate Somerville acne salicylic acid acne treatment. And then I have the Bite Beauty Agave Intensive Lip Mask. So I don't have to worry about lip masks for a very, very long time. Bite Beauty is going out of business. So you better catch them and get everything, because I think 50% off while it lasts, because they're about to go. Then I have the Inky List Fulvic Acid Cleanser. It says it's best for dull skin. It brightens skins and gently removes makeup. So Inky List is in Sephora. They're very affordable. And the tube looks like all their other tubes, so nothing fancy. It tells you what stage this product should be used, which is, it's a cleanser. So, another cleanser. Then, from the Inky List, is the Oat Cleansing Balm. This is like my 4th one. I use this as my first step for removing my makeup. I love it. It has 3% oak oil, which helps maintain skin moisture levels, and 1% oat powder. So when I use this to remove my makeup, it doesn't leave my face feeling stripped and extra dry. So I use, it says leave on for 10 minutes as a nourishing face mask. I don't do that. I just basically use this to remove my makeup and then go in with my cleansers. Last but not least is my birthday reward from Sephora, and then this is just like the travel sample size Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, which do I have this one? No, I don't. I have the wet cream, and then I have the deep cleanser. So this is the soft cream cleanser rice wash. And then this is the Dewy Skin Cream. So if I like these, then I'll get the full size, because Tatcha is not cheap either. But if you order from their website, but Sephora take Afterpay as well, but Tatcha takes Afterpay, okay? Oh, and then it has the Liquid Silk Canvas primer sample in here. So yeah, just remember, Tatcha takes Afterpay. They may take one, I don't know, but I know they take Afterpay. So yeah, that is everything that's in my skincare drawer, except some alcohol pads, which they don't belong in there. They belong with first aid stuff. But needless here to say, that's everything in my skincare drawer. Do you have any of these products? Are you interested in any of these products? Do you feel like I have too much? Trust and believe, I don't have to buy skincare for quite some time. I shouldn't be purchasing any more skincare, but knowing me, I'll see something, I'm like, oh, I want to try that, knowing I have a drawer full of stuff at home. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.